Here we are with new Google Pixel 4. Pixel 4 is more advanced than 3, with some extra and amazing features that we are gonna explain, and in this video will be talking about everything about Google Pixel 4. So Google has done some interesting and awesome things. Let's talk about the external design of the Pixel 4. The Pixel 4 is somehow completely different from the previous Pixel smartphones this year, as Google is using glass flash on the backside and it's looking completely like glass. And it is having wide square camera at the top left side, while on the front side Google removed the notch and it looks pretty well than the previous one. Now let's talk about the features about the Pixel 4. The display of the phone is 5.7 Full HD and 6.3 Quad HD for the Pixel 4 XL. The operating system, Android, and the version is 10. The Pixel 4 is the 1080 pixel display. The performance has Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 single-core processor and 6 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. That is non-expandable memory. The camera setup is 12,12 and 16 megapixel triple rear cameras along with 8 and 5 megapixel dual front cameras. The Pixel 4 XL has the battery of 3,700 mAh with fast charging along with wireless charging capability and non-removable battery. The USB connector type is USB Type-C. Now here we have the image samples of the camera taken photos that look wonderful.